It's Aunt Velvet here for another adventure in fabulous home repair. So this morning, I'm trying to relight my gas refrigerator that's 1,000 years old. I think it's 1 year younger than I am. So there you go. It's a gas fridge. It's not self-defrosting, so that turns into a giant ice cap. And when it takes up, see that the top shelf there, then I usually turn the fridge off, wait for it to melt, blah, blah, blah. It's good because it's the only time I ever clean the fridge, as you can imagine. So, here's the instructions. It's fabulous. I know how to do this because I've been doing it for many years. So, to start the refrigerator, turn the knob A, that's knob A. Where'd it go? There it is. Knob A. Turn that little sucker to the place where it says gas. See how delightful that looks? Okay, fabulous. Rocket science ensues. Then turn the temperature gauge to 4. Then look at that fancy apparatus. See that? So what you have to do is hold down the knob that controls the gas flow while clicking this little sucker, which is a spark initiator. So I've been at it for about a half an hour. You think of a name, thing won't work. So I have decided to tackle this problem myself. Tapping happening this morning is because there are literally no groceries. This is my groceries. That's what's in my house right now. Because, why go shopping when the fridge is turned off? I have some vanilla flavoring, things like that, right? Some kind of supplement that I paid for, never took because I never do. And yeast. I've got yeast. I could make bread, except I have no flour. So, yeah, this morning I thought, all right, the fridge is ready. It's clean enough-ish. So now you can go shopping. So, okay. Okay, so here we are at the back of this beast. Looks terrifying, doesn't it? I just praise the goddess every day. When I'm not bitching at her, I praise her for keeping the shit running. So, anyways, I pulled some screws off and I pulled some covers off. And because of the nature of my life, I understand what certain things look like now. So that's the spark initiator. Some part of that piece of shit under there, oops, when you spark and the gas is coming through, I can't really get it with my phone. But anyways, it's, you understand the mechanism, and it just it won't light. So thankfully, I finally got to the point of literal rage, and that's usually when things get fixed. I'm starting to understand men in heterosexual relationships. I don't know about all those other people. Good luck to them, because we got enough problems, don't we? So what I'm going to do, having identified where the pilot light is supposed to be catching, I'm going to put a candle under there, and under the theory that when the gas comes through, it will create the pilot light flame and not cause a massive explosion. There it is. Woo! See that? I used it up for my tarot readings. So I thought, well, perfect. It's the perfect size now. The other thing I determined was that it was likely that because my house is so tight, it was likely that there wasn't enough air, combustion air. So I opened the door a little bit. I'm going to close it back some. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to light this sucker so I can go on with my day, because I got shit to do. You know what I mean? Jelly bean? Okay, so I'm going to press on the gas button to let a little gas come through. Alright, I'm going to count to 3. Might be my last 3 seconds on Earth. This is not how I was thinking it would go. Here we go. Press to make the gas come through. I'm gonna wait until I smell the gas, till there's just enough to blow up the whole fucking house. Alright, ready? There! I rule the universe once again. Here, see the indicator light? I don't know if you can see it. There it is. It's lit. And now I can go and get my groceries and feel safe that I am a fabulous dumbass and not a dumb fuck. Look at that. Don't ever, ladies, let me tell you. You know why I'm this way? Because I spent enough years of my life waiting around, listening to some fucking man tell me what I couldn't do and how dangerous it was. And you know what? Fuck all of them. This is done. It didn't cost me $150 service call repair. See that? No, you can't see it. But I'll just put the little screw back in. And I'm going to go out, do my grocery shopping. Pray to the bitch. The great bitch. Ask her not to blow the house up while I'm gone or fill it up with carbon monoxide or whatever. So I figured if I was gone for a couple of hours, that would be the safest for me personally. Alright, the last step is to put that little cover back on. See? The genius from the gas company that came and charged me $175 to do this the last time. I'm sure this was his gift to me. Was the little screw. It goes right there. So I decided, since he gave me a screw, I would use it to ensure that I didn't get screwed again. Not in this way. If you know what I'm saying, girls. Alright, that's it. That's the Aunt Velvet's advice for the day. Don't let the refrigerator beat you. I got a new friend. Look at that. Ooh. Maybe my next video will be about spider maintenance. That one looks like he's going to grow up to be angry. I'm going to have to relieve him right now. Okay, that's done. So, now, the next thing, it's very hot on the agenda. See that? That's my empty coffee mug, because there's no coffee in the house either, which makes me extra bitchy in the morning. So, you know, maybe that's the sacred bitch way. Maybe you have to wait till there's no groceries and no coffee and no extra money to call the fucking repairman who's going to fuck you over but not give you any vitamin F, if you know what I'm saying. And then you fly into you sort of, well, for me, I don't fly into a rage. It takes a little time, right? So anyways, I had just enough rage this morning to tackle the fridge and be enough of a dumbass to realize I could probably use the candle because I understand how pilot lights work, and it shouldn't blow up the house if there's not an overabundance of gas that's already sort of been accumulating. So anyways, that worked out, and I'm happy, so... Okay, that shit is done. I'm gonna go get some fucking coffee. You guys have a nice day.